Akerakangun luda edoletena bakech akai sangon alukanyape nesi adau e district aluko Soroti arremor kano Ajakin Adingirir na ukarukalo.
Our athletes, when you reach there, please be disciplined. You get me? Be what? Disciplined. Yeah. So that all people will appreciate that it's Soroti district hard what? Taking what? A disciplined what? Team. You get me? Yes. And please go there. And when you want make sure that when you come here, you come with the trophies. You come with what? Yes. You get me? Yes. We shall be here waiting for you. You get me? Yes. We shall be here praying for you. You get me? Yes. And we shall also try. If finances are accepted, we shall drive up to there to do what? Moral boost you. You get me?
Nicholas Opio loede Aipolo Kit aina peta no abolia show ko district aloko Soroti ngeti ke untebe idwe ngul luda imoria tos isa pakeda pesur kesi eras luda Eikopo kano Aitelekar Eikopo lwe gitigita kotoma Adingirir kangin
Aitelekar tekenara ya Eikopo narai eponelo nese polon Atalanta no district so ida ipenare timu kosi agar na sabiti jale mso o training o camp asret do kwani dasa nyon lolo loso anaswa mani bore lopek kosa ya Eikopo kedi kosa ipenare duwe kosi be ponelo nesi todi ara Atalantan akerna erani idistu kana kerelo jasi Uganda aniswa mao angini tamuno asodi do Uganda kere somero kerelo primary ekerete
Simon Peter Eku Edoru loda era polone cholong LOC5 o district aloko Soroti ngesabu ilip Adingirak Aitodun Ipokesho Luajokak kotoma abolasho kangun.
You only go and win. I don't want another story. We shall see. No, we must go and win.
Come in.
When we come back from Ulwero with the trophies, Kao is here, and as the head of the institution, we must have time with you to celebrate the win together.
Iche kotoma Adingirak kesi eyala masi kwanata.
Akapakin sa Aitelekar chuk. Epone le shisha dorido ere epone la bait under 12, under 14 and under 16. Ajino kere betaya ni medals. Sare mambe saya ni medals.
Epola sisona e team lo. Lo sa Aitelekar chuk narai o training course. La epola kera dorido.
Gabriel Esiku Kanuka TV East Koibuga Soroti.